This is my 2011 DK Cygnus bike check. Starting off top, I got the stock DK grips. They're pretty worn down. I'm getting the Odyssey Aaron Ross grips in grape. I got the Stolen Cell bars in white. They got 8-inch rise, 28-inch width. I got the Shadow Attack stem, purple. It's pretty nice, doesn't slip. My old stock one, it slipped a few times. And, wasn't too pretty. Other than that, the bike's pretty much stock. Got the stock tire, it's pretty nice, pretty strong. Takes about anything. The forks are pretty strong, haven't had any problems with that lately. The stock seat, I like it. It looks pretty cool. I'm getting a pivotal, stolen pivotal. Getting a new back tire. Getting the Animal SM tire. I like the cranks. They're pretty strong, you know. The chain wheels, pretty solid. It's strong. It's light. The chain's only broken once. Other than that, that's about it. When I first got the bike, it was 25 pounds. Now it's 23. I took the U-brake off. Now I kind of wish I didn't. And that's my bike.